Often when we receive data, it's broken up into various columns, and there comes a time where we want to merge some columns together. Let's play with the employees query. So I'm just going to click on employees and go Control C, Control V to make a duplicate of employees. If I then click on employees 2, press the F2 key, I can call that employees data. Now in the employees data query, I want to move the title of courtesy in front of the full name. So I'm just looking for the title of courtesy. Oh, there it is there. So I want to move that in front of or before full name, so I drag it here. And I really want to merge these two columns together. So I click on this column, hold the Shift or the Control, and I click on this column. I want to merge those two, that one and that one. I want to merge these two columns into a new column. So I'm going to go Add Column, and then I want to merge columns, so I'm going to go for this button here. It asks me what sort of separator do I want to have between title of courtesy and full name. So I'll choose a space. And then it asks me what I want to call the column, so I'll just call it contact name. So this contact name is a column that's going to merge together these two and put a space between them, so I go OK. And at the very end of my table, if I scroll right to the end, there's my contact name. And if I want to move that, I'll go to Transform and I'll choose to move that to the beginning. And so then I can move that and place that after employee ID. Now I can actually get rid of title of courtesy and full name. So I select both those columns and I hit the delete key, and now they've gone. Now I also want to merge two other columns together. We have a column, if I go to the right, called phone. And we have a column called extension. I'd like to select both of those columns, so I hold the Shift key or the Control key. And this time I'm going to use the Transform merge columns instead of the Add columns merge columns. So I'll merge columns. I want to create a custom this time, custom separator. So I choose custom. And then in here I can say I want a space, 3 letters, and a space. So in between phone and extension, there will be a space, the word extent, EXT, and then another space. And I want to call this column phone including extension and go OK. And so it's joined together the phone and the extension, and because I chose transform, it got rid of those two earlier columns, and it's joined them together into a column called phone including extension and has a space, EXT space, between the actual phone and the extension. So merging columns is very much something that you can do in Power Query.